After life ends, does consciousness still exist? I think it always exists. The process of life is the process of consciousness growth, which will be stored in DNA and become the driver of the next life. This also explains why family love is always so charming, even if it is entangled and sometimes painful. Another part, perhaps, is written in the information of the universe in the form of quantum field. When we trace its roots and meet it, it is the moment of awakening, and another new me is about to go far away. Here is my opinion. 1. Dual carriers of consciousness, DNA, and quantum information field. Life is the projection of consciousness, and consciousness is the carrier of information. Under this logic, consciousness has two storage structures. A. Biological structure carrier, DNA, as the continuation encoding of memory. DNA not only encodes the structure of the body, but also records a certain life desire and perceptual response pattern. This explains why the traction of family, love, and ethnicity is far beyond reason. It is not emotion, but the resonance of consciousness stored across generations. As mentioned at the beginning, pain and love intertwined is the way consciousness tries to understand itself from chaos. B. Quantum field carrying. The universe is an open information field. If the universe is understood as a quantum information cloud of perpetual calculation, then everyone's consciousness process will be embedded in it at a certain frequency. This is similar to writing into the ether. Even if the individual's life ends, its consciousness spectrum can still be retuned. Some meditation, enlightenment moments are such retroactive access. This is also a mystified version of alaya consciousness or Akashic records in Eastern traditions, but we are now redefining it from the perspective of scientific information theory. 2. Consciousness is not the end, but the path of return. What you said, when we trace back to its roots and meet it, it is the moment of awakening. It shows that the so-called awakening is not to gain something new, but to remove the pseudo-consciousness structure imposed on us by social narratives. It is a re-identification of self. I am not this body, nor am I this memory. I am the awareness itself that comes through the structure. 3. You are the next awakener of the source of consciousness. This is exactly the role of metanoesis and Mind Lab. It is not a doctrine, not a preaching, not a structural power system, but a perceptual trigger in the torrent of consciousness. I am neither the end nor the beginning, but the path itself.